Kakasi Students Union ni KSU kalakan thok jur persya iki bor penyat jongka West Jingkyntur Hills District nakadaw bakam syam lala banle Eiei Halor ki kubor bakaladan ke Jingkyntur Port daki bor jongka Karbi Anglong District Council hakasnong lapangam. U General Secretary ke KSU Donald Thaba ula ong baki nongsong snong kim banse ban jenrat no iki tenrai dieng balathung daka council hadian ba omdan ba sya skor iki jing ujor jongki. Kijing ikan adro kila nangklut arsya hadian bakalami kijing ikan no baladon uwei urang ba kasi ubala syasyo halapangam kabalapan longro ya ke KSU bandawa badai banbu no mardor ya ke ketempulit hakani ke Jaka. Hakawai pat kijing elang kabalalong bad u menteri ketena jungok kai pertei uba polling do ke KSU kalapan bor badai ban pensange ikijing tungkam ha Negrims tat haduk baya kijing dawa jongki kabakan thopro ikijing pentri kambyang ya kerta thepkam bad kiwei-kiwei lapan bet shwa. Ubak polling do ula kula ro bu unsara ikani kamat syaki bor badai kimi jongka Sorkar preng. Kani kaseng kala banjur ro Halor kejing persya jur jongka hakabaya dei bat kelentirel hapo kajela Meghalaya da kabapin pau baduna palat kilat jingyada na kabenta kitrai ri trai mulung. Ubak thaba ula banjur badai ben pentri kampura ro ya ka MRSSA bat ILP hakaba ula maham ro ba kinsadon kijing kela ki bakraw hakalyang kinong snong hakani kajela.
What happened during the Laangab incident is when the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council came to plant saplings and build structures on the lands, the disputed area, which belongs to the Khasi people. So they have complained to the district administration, but the people of Laangab complained to the district of administration of West Jingkyntur Hills, but no action had been taken. Therefore, it compelled the villagers along with the volunteers of different social organizations to react and to uproot all those saplings and destroy all those constructions. And yes, at that time also there was a clash, but the district administration did a timely intervention out there, and it was being sought out. But today, another Khasi man was assaulted in Laangab when he went to get medicine for his children. So the KSU will sit and we will discuss regarding that matter.
Do you think the government has not woken up after Mukrok's incident also? We lost 5 people.
You see, the government had agreed to set up a temporary police outpost in Laangab. We want to see that first. Let's see what can be done.
Okay.
We met Paul today because we wanted to discuss regarding the crisis in Negrims. The issues that have been put forth by the KSU to the Negrims officials. After the strike in Negrims, the government of Meghalaya steps in and called a meeting upon Negrims and the Khasi Students Union. After a thorough deliberation, it came to the conclusion that the state government along with Negrims will consult with the union ministry along with the health minister of the state. And at the same time also, we have agreed that the KSU and the officials of Negrims are going to meet again to discuss regarding the issues. We have met with the officials of the Negrims and we have sorted out a lot of problems, especially the backlog of the economically weaker section, in which we were able to obtain 2 more seats for the scheduled tribes. But we are still demanding for the recruitment to be kept in abeyance until and unless all the issues of the KSU are being sorted out, especially the 80 to 20 male-female ratio. And after a thorough discussion with Bahapol today, we came to the conclusion that Bahapol will discuss with the health minister and also with the director of the Negrims so that we can meet with the union minister for health and family welfare so that we can sort out all the demands of the KSU.
And what about
because the demand for the inner line permit is a long pending demand which dates back into 1987. So we have been demanding ILP, and during the CA agitation also the demand of ILP also come up. So we have been sending memorandums after memorandums to the Union Ministry of Home Affairs, and it seems that everything went on deaf ears, and the central government is always stating that it is examining the issue. We look in the past few days, a certain minister of state also said that the ILP is still there on the agenda of the central government. But whereas we are still waiting and demanding for ILP, the MRSSA, we feel that it is very important to be implemented. And the principal act of the MRSSA has been passed since 2016. It has received the governor assent, but the government is yet to fully made it operational. Yes, the district's task force have been constituted in certain localities, but we want that the MRSSA should be implemented in the spirit of the letter. It should be fully implemented right from the facilitation centers and the entry exit points. And but whether MRSSA is being implemented or not, the demand of ILP is still there.
Do you believe that MRSSA can be over ILP, can be implemented in the state over ILP demand?
MRSSA to be implemented
In the state over ILP demand.
You see, if we have MRSSA, if we get ILP also, it will be better for us, because the more teeth to the axe to protect the indigenous people, the better for us.
What do you think about this committee on railways? Will you be part of this?
No, the committee of railways, you see, it's only political parties. It's an all party.
But
committee. It's not
stakeholders
related.
as well.
We are stakeholders, but we have been, time and again, we have stated to the government that we are against the introduction of ILP in Meghalaya without proper mechanisms to safeguard the rights of the indigenous tribal population.
You are against ILP.
Without railway.
Pardon?
Like, oh, we are
Introduction
getting-
of railway, because we feel that without any mechanism to protect the indigenous people of the state from becoming minority in their own land, then the government should not speak about railway, or it should not even call us for talks on railway, because we are against it to the
But with the if MRSSA is implemented in letter and spirit, will you
Let's see
consider?
how much MRSSA is going to be effective. Let MRSSA be implemented first, and then we will see.